a Mad Libs game with you. Are you up for it?
Oh, I am up for it. I actually have a free Mad Lib download too. So that is so fun. I love like a knitting download
Yes.
thing. I love Mad
Okay.
Libs. Oh my God.
Oh, so you are the right person to play this game with. Well,
Yeah.
today, as you may know, is National Local Yarn Store Day.
Yes, it is.
Yes, yes. And so I wrote a little story about National Yarn Store Day, and I thought we could just fill in some blanks and read the story together. You ready?
Yes, that'll be hilarious. Oh my God,
Okay.
let's do it.
All right. I need a time.
A time.
Like,
Midnight.
yeah, yep, very good.
Is that good? Okay.
Yeah, it's perfect. Article of clothing.
Oh, underwear.
Food.
How about spinach?
Yes. A number.
9.
Very good. Adjective.
Perky.
Plural noun.
Oh goodness, this is always like, you usually like go super blank. How about doorknobs?
Adjective.
Foul.
Another plural noun.
Let's see. Maple. Oh, plural noun. Pancakes.
Ooh. Yes, please. I'm ready for brunch. A nonsense word.
Oh, banana pants.
That's a good one. Adjective.
Squishy.
Squishy.
Yep.
And plural noun.
How about, it's like I'm like looking around my office, like what do I plural noun. How about cats?
Cats. Love it. Exclamation of surprise.
Right. Yippee! I have to act it out, of course. When I say these things, I have to like act them out.
Totally.
Okay.
Adjective.
How about?
I'm putting you on the spot today.
I know, it's like a lot of adjectives. Let's see. And it's not, I want to think of something good, you know? Massive.
A swear word that you'd use around children.
That I'd use around children?
Yeah, that's like
God.
It's safe to use around children.
Oh gosh, I kind of have a potty mouth, so my version of safe around children might be different than other people's. A swear word that is, I get like damn.
Yeah, we could say that. Okay? We could say that. This isn't cable TV. A number.
Okay. 99.
The name of a store.
Oh, how about Starbucks?
Nice. Adjective.
Okay. Incredible.
Good. And noun.
Socks.
Socks?
Yep.
Okay. Almost done. A number?
63.
Another number?
1.
And another number?
82.
Excellent. A brand name.
Oh, okay. Hypnotic yarn.
Yes. And another brand name.
Oh, how about, I don't know, I'm stuck, another brand name. Like, I don't.
There's only one that matters.
Oh, no.
That's it. That's all you've got.
I know. I'm like, I don't know. I don't know any other brands besides that. Like, all I can think of is like knitting related things. So I don't know. I'm going to go with Kari's Kits.
I love it. And last one, adjective.
Okay. Stinky.
Okay, good. All right. Are you ready for our story?
I don't know. I think I am.
Okay. You did really well. You did really well. So today is National Local Yarn Store Day. To celebrate, I woke up at midnight, put on my favorite underwear, and had spinach for breakfast. When I arrived at the local yarn store, I saw there were already 9 people in line. It'll be worth it, I said to myself, because the store is giving away perky doorknobs and foul pancakes. Worth the wait. Finally, I made it inside. All around me were squishy cats. The yarn store owner, Miss Banana Pants, walked toward me. She said, "Yippee! Welcome to the massive yarn store." "I'm looking for incredible yarn to make socks," I replied. "Do you have any of that?" "Damn," Miss Banana Pants said. "We haven't had yarn like that for 99 years. I suggest you take your business elsewhere. Perhaps you should go to Starbucks." "Oh, that's okay," I said. "I'll take 63 skeins of Hypnotic yarn and 1 Kari's Kit." "Very good," Miss Banana Pants said. "That'll be $82. I paid her and left, feeling very stinky about my adventure. I think that's the best story ever.
That's a good story.
It's a good story.
I love that.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, that is so creative. That's honestly way better than the one I did. That's so good. Good job.
Thank you. Well, I will send that to you, and then people can fill in the blanks with that if you want to. If you want to update your Mad Libs.
Sure.
So, there you go.
Yeah, absolutely. I love it. Oh my goodness, it's so fun.
Well, Cheryl, for the next week, I'm going to be uploading different videos on how to make the Electric Faerie Shawl with your gorgeous Supernova yarn.
Yay!
Yes.
Oh, thank you.
So people will be able to see that and to make their own Electric Faerie Shawl. And I have to tell you, I love how it looks with the Swarovski crystals. It just...
Oh my goodness.
It's kind of stunning. Yeah.
That is amazing. And you're so talented. I've never made anything with beads before in my life. So I saw that and I was so surprised. And I thought it looked so beautiful. You did such a good job on the pattern and everything.
Thank you. Well, it's so much fun. As soon as I get the yarn, I'm actually going to break into one of them and make something new. That'll be really fun.
Ooh.
And then we're also going to have a giveaway of your sock yarn in the Electric Faerie colorway. So that'll be in May. I'll be sure to let people know when that's going to be.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, let me know when it's coming up.
I will. So great. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a beautiful weekend.
Thank you. You too. Thank you so much for having me. It was very fun. And again, I loved seeing you and catching up with all the fun yarny things.
Likewise. Okay. Bye, Cheryl.
All right. Bye.
Bye.